Hey Jack, Joel Dutton here, real estate broker with KW Commercial. We're here on site at 16 East Worcester. This is another property that will also be sold tomorrow, the 19th of September. And it's going to be offered with the one there on the corner where attorney Robert Shetlowers had his office. And you can come in tomorrow. I believe the open house is from 12 to 2, is that right, Jack?
12 to 2.
12 to 2 and take a look at it, but just a real good house here. Not quite the lot as the other one up the street. The other one up the street is on the corner there, Worcester Street and 21 Erie. This one here just has access here on the alley on the west side, and then of course Worcester Street here in front.
So 16 Worcester
16
and
Worcester.
4 Worcester are both offered tomorrow at 2 o'clock on site and online. So you can come see us
Yep,
and
that's
bid in person. Or, of course, we'd like to see you. And then, or you can bid online if you can't make it. Any questions, give us a call. Joel, who do you call?
330-879-5000.
See you at the auction.
Thanks, Jack.